In this video I'm going to show you how to merge PowerPoints into one PowerPoint. So as you can see, I've got this PowerPoint over here with 3 slides just for this demo. And now I've got another PowerPoint and I want to merge both PowerPoints into one. So to accomplish that, you need to go to Insert over here. Then you go to New Slide. And here you need to go to Reuse Slides. Now you need to go to the right of the screen. And you can select the file where you want to get the slides from. So Insert Slide From, Browse. And here I have the second PowerPoint. So select it, open. And now you will see the slides from the other PowerPoint over here. And if you want to keep the formatting of the source, you need to enable this option over here. And now you can choose which slides you want to merge into the first PowerPoint. So you can also select them all. So right click the first slide and then insert all slides. Or you can just select one slide if you want to. So let's say this one. And now you will see it over here. So I drag it to the last one. And we want to have this one and this one. Or like I said earlier, you can also right click it, insert all slides, and you will see them all. And now we have all the slides from the first PowerPoint. And we have the slides from the second PowerPoint. And this is how to merge PowerPoints into one PowerPoint. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel if the video was helpful for you. And see you in the next one.